Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, now act. Click your profile picture, then select Settings to open YouTube Preferences. Once there, focus on Account and Privacy sections. This is where visibility and history live. Make sure you're in the right account because toggles apply to that profile only. Don't waste time on tutorials, go straight to privacy. You'll be flipping a few switches and clearing history. These steps control what YouTube stores and who can see your activity. Now you'll change the core settings. Under History and Privacy, pause Watch History and pause Search History to stop future logging. Next, go to Privacy and toggle Keep Liked Videos and Saved Playlists private so others can't view them. If you need to remove past data, choose Manage All Activity, which links to Google Activity Controls. Clear watch and search entries there. These steps both stop new recording and limit others' visibility. Make sure each toggle shows as turned on or paused. Finish by clearing any existing watch and search history, then recheck each privacy toggle to confirm they saved. Sign out on shared devices and use an incognito window when you want temporary privacy. If YouTube won't save settings, clear browser cache and cookies, then retry. Alternatively, try another browser or the YouTube mobile app. If toggles still reset, check your Google account activity controls in Account. Google.com to ensure the central switches aren't overriding YouTube settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.